It's Carrie, and I'm in my new 34-foot lawn 2004 classic Airstream. It's pretty fucking cool. Check this out. So, it has a slide out. It has a fucking slide out. It's an Airstream with a slide out. See that? I don't have a slide out right now because I'm kind of I don't have space to put it out right now where I have it temporarily, but it's a slide out. It's a slide out Airstream. That's fucking pimp. Theater system. Gonna change out that older TV for a HD TV. But in general, this little entertainment area is also a desk area. So I've got myself my mobile desk. Look at all of them speakers everywhere. It's got a DVD system. It's all hooked up. Put my PlayStation in there. Gaming on the move. This has a couch. The couch doesn't have a bed. It's a pull-out storage one, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to be changing that. I've got some lawn chair area here. I've got another desk over here, or table. I might remove that. But this is pretty pimp. I've got breakfast counter here, bar stool area. I've got a convection microwave oven, which is tight. Got a propane burner stove here. Probably going to take this out and put in a more conventional propane oven burner combo. Take out some of them drawers, put it in the oven. Got a sink. Pretty cool. Probably upgrade this faucet a little bit. Of course, I have, breakfast table right here. Lots of storage. Lots of storage. Full size refrigerator with a freezer. So I can finally have some ice cream on the move. Got speakers over here. I've got a nice little bathroom here. It's got a shower and toilet. I'm actually going to remodel this. I'm going to have this totally redone. People are going to tell me that I'm crazy. I guess I don't have power for these off the generator, off the battery, excuse me. I'm going to have stainless steel toilet with a bidet. And I'm going to have the shower. I think I'm going to put in like a Japanese style soaking tub, and I'll still have a shower, but I'll be able to soak it up. And I'm going to take out probably this sink. I think I'm going to take this sink out. I don't really need a sink in a bathroom and a trailer. You already got water here, and you got water right here. Why do you need a sink in there? That makes no sense. Storage area for closet. Pretty good amount of storage space. Pretty good amount of storage space, if I do say so myself. Plenty of room for all my clothes, all my suits, swords, what I want. I've got lots of space, of course, in these cupboards here too. And this has a twin bed area. I'm not super into this. What I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to have maybe a full bed put in, tufted needle mattress, and then over here I'm going to have more of a bookshelf put in. That's what I'm going to do. And then over in this nook area, I'm going to have like a little shelf area. I could do my chargers and have more books and things like that. I read a lot. So if you look in the Zenny-mobile, it's got a whole bunch of books everywhere. And I never have enough storage space for them. More storage space over here, of course, for clothes. More over here for clothes. This is a kick-ass trailer. And you're probably wondering, Carrie, how much did it cost for this amazing thing? I got a great fucking deal. I got this Airstream for a pretty good fucking price. 40 grand. Not bad. This is top of the line shit. Now I'm gonna get myself a nice big truck, and I will continue the digital nomad journey, operating Zenither mobile, being able to travel in style, be on the move. Be on the move.